Hello, Virtual English 2. This week we actually start reading poetry. We're almost there. Tomorrow I'll actually pop on here and discuss a couple poems with you. But today we're going to learn a little bit about Mr. Hughes himself. So the two excerpts that you're going to read are from The Dreamkeeper and Other Poems by Langston Hughes. The first one is just kind of an introduction to let us know who Langston Hughes is. And then the last one is a personal note. Two really short and but excellent pieces that you're going to read. It's about 4 pages in total, and it doesn't even take up the whole page. As you can see, here's the introduction, and then on the next page is a personal note. So there is an assignment that goes along with this. It's a pretty simple assignment. What I'm wanting you to do is, while we learn about who Langston Hughes was as a person, I want you to do the following. I want you to do it 3, 2, 1. Here's what I mean when I talk about 3, 2, 1. You're going to list 3 things you now know after reading that 4-page little excerpt, 2 things that you found interesting, and 1 question that you still have. You have to have all 3. You have to have 3 things that you now know. You have to find 2 things interesting. You got to find at least 2 things interesting throughout the whole thing, even if you think everything is stupid and you're a teenager and everything, nothing's interesting because everything's boring because I'm a teenager, blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry. At least pretend that you found 2 things interesting and then come up with a question. You can easily come up with any question. So that is how to do a 3, 2, 1. I want you to do a 3, 2, 1 over a personal, the introduction and a personal note from The Dreamkeeper and Other Poems by Langston Hughes. And tomorrow I'll be back to talk to you. Actually, later I'll be back to talk to you about the assignment the portfolio assignment that talks about the Walkers with the Dawn section of this collection of poetry, of poems. But all you have to do for this, for today and for this, is the 3, 2, 1 over those 4 pages. All right. So more power. Get away to start reading, I guess. And I'll see if y'all have any questions, email me, pdavidson@porterfield.k12.mo.us. All right. And I'll see you later. Bye.